Hello, Matthijs. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
Great, thank you. It's been a very eventful summer for you. First you got married and then moved to England. So how is married life treating you and how do you enjoy living in the UK?
Yeah, it's really nice, really nice. It's been a really eventful summer, as you said, but everything's going really nice and I'm really happy to be here.
Did something in England surprise you?
Yeah, the weather is even worse than I thought.
You played in all 6 Premier League matches this season and you already scored your first goal. How happy are you that you scored so quickly, so soon as a centre-back, of course?
Yeah, it's really nice to score as a centre-back. Obviously it's not your first role, but it's always nice to help the team with a goal.
You've strengthened United's defense. Where do you feel you can give your team the most help?
Yeah, I think I can help the team the most with defending, but also to speak a lot, communication, but also to try to bring the ball back from the back to the forwards. It's also a big possibility to improve. So, yeah, I think in a lot of areas I can help.
In Manchester United, you are reunited with Erik ten Hag, with your old coach from Ajax, and you worked together great 5 years ago. Is this much easier for you to adapt to a new club with the coach that you know?
Yeah, I think it's always easier to go to a club where you know the coach and where you know how he works. So yeah, it makes it a little bit more easy.
What in his philosophy speaks the most to you? What do you like the most with his work?
Yeah, I like that he's really, he gives a lot of information. He's really, he likes to speak about details, and I really like about that because it makes you improve as a player every day and every week.
You're wearing number 4 on your back, just like some team legends like Vidic, Giggs and Schmeichel. But you've been with number 4 basically your whole life, since youth sections. Does this number have any significant meaning to you?
Yeah, what you say, it's the number that I always wore with all my clubs, so it's a really big honor that I can also play with this number at this big club.
So just when you were young, you were like, I'm gonna play with number 4. It's not like your favorite number or some of the players you like played with it, nothing like that?
No, it's just because centre back are always 3 or 4, so that's why.
You played in 3 of the biggest leagues in the world, in Bundesliga with Bayern, in Serie A with Juventus, and now you are in the Premier League. Where do you see the biggest differences?
The biggest difference I feel in every league is the intensity. It's all really high intensity, but I think the Premier League is the highest. And yeah, every league has its own things, and yeah, it's always really nice to experience these different leagues.
I know it's not easy to be here today after your defeat against Tottenham, but how is the atmosphere now in the dressing room?
Yeah, we analyzed, of course, the game and we analyzed what could be better, and there's still a lot of room for improvement. So we analyzed that, and hopefully next game we can do it better.
On Sunday you're facing Aston Villa, and Villa Park is known as one of the toughest venues in Premier League. What is your goal? What are you aiming for there?
I hope we can win.
Except for the win, of course.
I hope we can win and we can get a clean sheet and take the 3 points with us.
Thank you so much, Matthijs, and good luck on Sunday.
Thank you very much.